Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Did you know that at any given time within our societies, there's almost 10% of the people who are actually suffering from anxiety and depression? That is a lot of people. And obviously, since COVID experiments or happenings or pandemics, this staggering figure has increased by over 20%. Really, this human suffering can be prevented by using thousands of years of legacy, history, and safe uses. This particular remedy that I'm going to share with you is easily available, it's safe, it can be made at home. It is used by Chinese traditional medicine, it's used by Ayurvedic Indian traditional medicine, it's used by traditional herbal medicine, and it's particularly used by Tib medicine, and it's really safe, effective, and can both prevent anxiety and depression, and in many cases it can treat these two conditions. I like to share this particular spice with you. It's saffron, which is safe, effective, and really a home remedy, as well as used by professional herbalists. We're going to try and share a recipe with you in this resource. I hope you'll be able to benefit from this both for yourself and also for your family and friends and your networks. So please benefit from this knowledge and experience and share it with other people. Thank you for listening and watching. Assalamu alaikum.